Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the primer bulb on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. For better access, we recommend removing the air filter cover by lifting the tab to release. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws, securing the primer bulb mounting plate. Lift off the plate and remove the old primer bulb. Install the new primer bulb by inserting it into the plate. Align the plate on the primer base and thread the screws to secure. Make sure the air filter gasket is properly positioned on the filter base. Then realign the cover and snap it into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.